Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to upload guys Infinix phone guys. Internet setting, how to reset. Friends, we want to reset guys your Infinix phone internet setting guys. So how can you reset it today friends? I will show you. I will tell you guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to reset guys your phone internet setting. As after on phone setting is you can see the stuff setting in your Infinix phone device. So guys, you will have to click on guys your phone guys this system setting guys, open guys this phone system setting, and guys you can see a reset option guys, tap here guys, click on guys reset setting. Reset setting guys, tap here reset setting guys. So please wait for a while, and as you can see network setting has been reset. So after 4 and 5 seconds guys your internet setting will reset, and guys you can use guys your phone internet setting after reset. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to reset Infinix phone by phone internet settings. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.